Hello and welcome to another AIC Cars video. Today I'm replacing the blower motor resistor on my 04 Tahoe. This is a fairly easy repair. The diagnosis was for my fan speed. I had no speed on 1 or 2, it would kick on at 3. That's a fairly telltale sign that until you hit 3, 4, when 1, 2, or 3 go out but 4 and 5 still work, that it's the resistor. And this is my old one here. You can see it is pretty trash. This is an 04. You can see the date stamp right there, 25th week of 04 is I think what that stands for. What I really want to show though is this is a part that you should probably buy at the part store. I bought one online, and while it looks good, the big difference is those ears. You can see that the ears are not correct. So for the Tahoe, it uses this one and this far out one, and this one doesn't have those further out ears on it, so it does not fit. So I ran to AutoZone, $37, $42 after tax. Here's the part. Ears are correct, match up just right. To get it off, I just removed 3 screws that are, these black ones are 7mm, and then 2 screws that are, I used a 5.5 because that fit better than the 6 or the 5 millimeter socket to get that back on. It's probably like 1/4 inch or something like that, I don't know, close enough. To get those 2 screws off, I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall. The one thing is with this plug in the back, kind of hard to see, but the clip is on the bottom, so it's in like this. I just put a little bit of upper pressure on it with a screwdriver, just popped right out. Barely any pressure at all with this screwdriver here, and it goes right here. This plug goes in the back. Trying to do this through the camera, kind of hard to see. Also using the wrong hand. Switch hands. So I have the right angle on there. There we go. Clipped right in. And then this goes up right in here with the 2 screws, matches up perfect. And we'll plug this in and then put the other screws back on, and all 5 speeds should work again. Anyways, again, this is just a quick video. Just wanted to show you the difference between the parts. I bought the one on Amazon that doesn't fit. So yeah, AutoZone, definitely worth going to get this part. Thank you for watching. Hope you have an amazing day.